In front of me is REALME Q2, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So firstly, you need to locate and open the settings, then find and select additional settings and mark date and time. And here you can smoothly activate network provided time, or you can turn it off. And now you can select time zone and date time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you the date and time it currently is. So this is it. Then you can also personalize your clock, so you can pick either 24-hour format clock or just 12-hour format clock. It's up to you. Here you can activate home screen word clock or dual clock. If you'll pick dual clock, you can see the time of your current location and your usual residence. And whenever you would like to go back to the automatic setup to network provided time, just click here, and that's it. Now it will be set up automatically. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can customize date and time in your device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.